Welcome back, viewers. In this video we are going to work on clear cart session. Last video we were working on here remove items one by one. If we go here, add some more items, and we were working here remove items one by one. In this video we are going to work on clear cart session. We will create here one button. When user clicks that button, the user cards will be empty. All of his card item will be deleted. So let's start. First of all, I have to come here in carts.html inside the products, inside the template, then products carts.html. I will make here one td. At the end of this one we were using separate table, so here I will give one a tag. So we will clear cart by get request, not the post request. So here will be then URL underscore 4, and here I will give the name of that root, so it will be clear cart, and this one is done here. Now I have to give a one class. This class will be btn danger. For the delete we will use here danger, and then will be here btn sm small button. This will match with other buttons. Then here we will float right, float dash right, and now I will give the name here. This will be clear cart, and then we have to open this cart.py file, and all the way down here I will just write this app.route, and the inside this route I will give this root clear cart, and then we will define the function of clear cart, and then try pass, and then accept if there is an exception as e, and we will print this message here as e. And now what I can do here, I'll just return or redirect URL 4, and this will be here home. And the first thing is here we will do here, and this will be session dot pop, and here we will pop out that shopping cart. The pop will take two arguments. One will be the name of this one, and second will be none. So we are done from here. And sometimes people will do like this, session dot clear, and if you do like this, then your all the session will be removed from your website. Even if you are log in, you will be log out, because this will remove all the session from your this site. So we will use this pop, and we will pop out this particular session. So this will just remove this session, it will not do anything with others. So now we are done from here. Let's try, and if I come and refresh, you can see things are working fine here, and everything is good. And yeah, so what I can do now, I will just come here and make this one at 35. So again I will give here mr of 5. So let's see now how things are working. mr5 is much. This should be MR2, MR2 is less, MR4, yeah. So now you can see here everything is aligned and here is everything aligned. So when I click here clear cart, you see the cart is cleared. And now the second thing we have to do, when I click here and again here, so this should be 2, and let's work on this one. So I have to come here cart.py, and here you can see we are using add cart. So for the add cart, after that here you can see if product in session, then we are just printing here something. So what I can do, if product in session, we will run here for loop key item, and this will be in session, and our session name here is shopping cart, and then here will be dot items, and then I will do it if integer, we will make this key integer. If int key, this one is equal to, again we will make it integer of product ID, and the product ID is this one, and if it is same, then I will do here session dot modified, this one will be equal to true, and the second thing here will be, I will be doing here item, then square brackets, then here I will write this quantity, this will be plus equal 1, and we don't need this one here now to print. And now let's try how it's working. If I come here now, you can see we have this golden watch with quantity of 1. If I go to here, and now you can see this has quantity of 2. Again, if I click this one, and now this one has a quantity 1, and if I go here, this one has also quantity 1. So now if I click it 1, 2, 3, this now should be 4, and now you can see this is a 4. For this video I'm going to stop here, and the next video we will work on customer registration. So when user clicks here in checkout, and let me make it also one button, so why this checkout is not a button. So checkout, this will be class BT and BTN success, and now it should be just like this. So this video I'm going to stop here. So next video we will work for the customer, because we have to assign this card with someone, then we can proceed, and we cannot proceed with anonymous users. Furthermore, now we need user to be login and provide details for this further process. That's all for this video. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.